Hey guys, this is sound test of the large party speaker 2. Gonna do a sound test with the bass boost on, and I'm gonna be doing with the outdoor mode, see what the difference in the sound quality is. So let's get started. 40%. It's shaking already. It's shaking my dresser. It's plugged in. Not that bad. Hit it. Alright, 60%. Let's get a bass. Let's get it off. Bass was off mode. Just see more trouble. A little more trouble in. $80. Turn bass hoops back on. Hit it. Change track there, and then we're gonna be at 100. We're gonna change track though. Back down to 80. Let's go to 60 on this one. 60. Alright, now I'm going to switch to the outdoor mode. Now the outdoor mode is on, so let's see how this goes. And it's active. $60%. shit. Oh. Oh. Hundred. Go back to that same track. 70%. See if you hear a difference on this track. Oh. Shaking up this and that. Let's go to 100 on this one. Hit it. 60%. Almost 37%. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And you know, it is I don't know if you guys can tell in video, but it is a little bit louder. It does get louder when you're out in your outdoor mode. The bass is alright. It was like my ears are a little bit hurting on my ends. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and peace.